Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a pretty fun project. I got some parts in for the E36. Got some headlights, some corner lights, some fog lights, and some side marker lights that are going to be here either today or tomorrow. Hopefully that'll be in this video, but I'm not exactly sure. So let's go ahead and get started on this project. It's going to be a fun one. Completely finished up, got it painted. We ended up putting a handle on it to release, and then we use this as a foot pedal. Works out really well. And then also put this up here for all the different dyes. We need some more dyes for it, and a little holder here to change the dye in and out. Working really good. What seems like any project I do, I gotta run to Napa. Turns out the bulbs are actually a different kind of bulb, so I gotta pick those up. Be back shortly. We'll keep going. Side note, if you couldn't already tell, I got the new microphone for the camera. So much better. I want to see if you can hear the wheel now on camera. Ah, beautiful, beautiful diesel sounds. Gotta love it. Alright, so I ended up having to take the bumper off in order to get the fog lights in. So I'm just going to pull that off and get these fog lights loaded up. I have the fog light brackets in. Those will be, I'll get the bumper put back up. We'll get that put in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this other side right now. Making good progress. We're almost there. Got it all finished up here. Sneak peek. Thanks for following along in this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.